Hi guys, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. Trust everyone is doing absolutely phenomenal. So today I'm going to be reviewing a product on a stretch mark removal product, or I don't want to use the word removal, a stretch mark treatment or fade product that is really good. So if you want to see the product that I'm talking about, don't go anywhere, stay with me and I'll be right back, okay? Welcome back. Okay, so before I go into the details of this video, thank you to all our new subscribers for subscribing to this channel. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. And for the old subbies, you know how much I love you. Thank you so much for keeping it real with me here on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, welcome back. Okay, and today I'm going to be talking about an amazing oil. Now, you know how I say that when I come here and I bring reviews for you guys, I try as much as possible to make sure that the reviews are 100% accurate. Okay, so whether the product is good or not so good, I'm definitely going to tell you. Okay, and another thing too is I don't use every product that I review here. I don't. Okay, but I make sure that I get feedback from my customers who actually use the product, or I ask other people that use the product, or I gather information. I do my research. Basically, I don't just come here and talk gibberish. I do my research, make sure that I get first-hand information. I get information from users, real-time users. I get information from the right sources. Okay, and then sometimes I actually use the product. So I'm just going to talk about this particular product. Okay, now let me tell you the story behind it. This is the Clear Oil. It's a Clear Oil anti-stretch mark oil. Now so I wanted to basically I was going to restock on some products for Nibasa Origins. And Nibasa Origins is our beauty supply store where we sell other products that we don't make. Okay, yes, we do sell some products that we make there, but very few. The rest of them are other beauty items and other brands that are really good that we actually sell. So I was gonna stock up on products from Nibasa Origins when my supplier said, "Hey, have you tried this Clear oil? Your customers are gonna love it." I'm like, I have products. I have my own stretch mark oil that I make for my customers from Slice of Heaven Skincare, and it is super effective. So I don't think that I really want to sell like anything else. But he was like, you know what, just buy one and try it. And if it works, you can actually sell to your customers that buy the other branded products on Nibasa. So I was like, okay, you know what, that's okay. I love to try new things. So I got this oil, guys. Now let me just show you to tell you how I'm not lying. Look, can you see like how really tiny, like what's left is so small. Like you can see how really small, like see what's left. Like I personally used this because I didn't want to just like come and say it works or it doesn't work. I wanted to use it firsthand so I can give you guys the real gist. I used this one myself, guys. Oh my god, I love this oil. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, first of all, I'm a sucker for oils. I love oils because I just really like my skin feeling really nourished and moisturized. And when the skin is well moisturized and healthy, that's where the glow comes in. Yes. So this product, like, it's called Clear Oil stretch mark oil. This is what it looks like. Guys, this shit works. Okay, it does work. Now I get a lot of people, especially with my handmade products, and people say, I want to remove my stretch mark, I want it to be totally gone. And I say, oh, I'm not sure topical products actually make stretch marks vanish. No, they don't, but they can actually fade them. They can fade your stretch marks until they're unsightly. So basically you can't really like see them. They're not as obvious as or pronounced as they used to be, and if they were black, they would literally become lighter and, like, you know, blend with your complexion. So that's what most topical products would actually do for you. I don't know the people that say that their products actually make stretch marks vanish. Wow, I don't know about that. But I know about stretch mark products, like the products I make for Slice of Heaven skincare, like they will fade your stretch marks and it will look like your skin. Yes. So, and you know, it's not going to look as ugly and as unattractive as it was before. So back to this product, I don't want to be, you know, distracted. This is an amazing oil, like, guys, oh my god, this is awesome. Like, you know what I found myself doing? I found myself actually applying this oil like all over my skin. I don't know, I got really carried away and I started applying it like all over like my skin, because first of all, I love the way it smells so heavenly, like just so amazing. Okay, so now I'm just going to talk about the ingredients. It contains aqua, which is water. It contains collagen. It contains AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. It contains vitamin E, contains vitamin C, contains shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, neem extract, coconut oil, and aloe vera extracts. Like, this, guys, is an amazing stretch mark oil. Like, I used it. Like, my stretch marks that I have usually come with weights for me. When I add weight, you know, I notice that my skin starts to stretch out a little bit, you know, and when I lose weight as well. So that has been something that has been there. But I really love my marks. You know, they are not irritating or any, they look nice. Yes. So yes, it's good to embrace yourself the way you are and love you, love your body, love your stripes, love everything about you, because that's what makes you you. Okay, nobody should body shame you, or nobody should make you feel some kind of way because of how your body looks or whatever. Okay, but if you can get rid of certain issues on your skin or whatever, why not? Feel free to do that so that you'll be more confident. Okay, now this oil is super amazing. It says to apply with hand 2 times daily on the affected areas, massaging it gradually into the skin for about a minute for effective results. It says to clear stretch mark, clear cellulite, repair damaged skin cells, brightens the skin, and maintains skin color. Now, all of this are very true about this oil. I'm not going to lie. Like, everything that this oil says, like, for once, I'm actually getting a product from the store that is actually doing everything that it claims to do. One thing I noticed was that, like, you know, my thighs, like around my thigh area, like my bum area, like I noticed it was smoother. Okay, so I don't have like the dimples anymore. I noticed it was like, you know, smoother and stuff. And then I noticed that my stretch marks like began to really, like, you know, fade. Like, looking at them, I couldn't really make them out, you know, on my skin, and I was really, really, really excited. Now, this did not work. I've used this oil for over a month plus. In fact, I think I've used it for like, what, almost 2 months. Yeah, I'm not a very judicious, like, I don't literally use it like every day, but like, you know, when I remember, I use it, and I have really, really gotten very, very good results, and I'm super excited. And yes, this actually unifies the skin. If you have like this skin that has like Coke and Fanta, fair and dark, like skin that's not like even and stuff, like, this is also a repair oil. It's really good. And if you also have like green veins or thin skin, like skin that's really thin, this is also a really, really good product. Weak skin, like, because of all the really good, like, what do you call it, emollients and stuff that this oil has, like, it helps to really, really, really repair the skin, from shea butter to mango butter to cocoa butter to the neem extract. Like, it's just super amazing. Like, this product is really good. Like, it really does everything that it says it does. It works as a repair oil, it works as a stretch mark oil, it works as a cellulite, help improve your cellulite. But if you want to see good results, please don't expect results in 1 or 2 days and then you tell me that this product is not working. please, none of that. This is an all natural product and it will take its time to do its job. Okay, so please be judicious. If you buy it, keep using it, and I bet you get good results. So whether you have stretch marks or cellulites that you want to smoothen out a little bit, or you have like damaged skin that you want to restore, you want to build your skin, this is a really good oil to try. So this is a multi-purpose oil. Like, it's not just for stretch marks, it's for damaged skin, it's for cellulites, it's for like everything. I know it does not darken. Before you come and ask me if because it has cocoa butter, because some people like to argue, like y'all will just come to the comment section and argue. Please, this did not darken my skin in any way. Like, my skin remained the color that it was. Yes, it did not darken my skin at all. So to everyone their own. You can use it and then you can leave your feedbacks for me. If you've used a cream that has damaged your skin before and you just want your skin to rest and you want to get your skin back, so this is also an oil that you, so basically look for it, clear oil, anti-stretch mark oil. This is an amazing product. I love it. Like, you could actually use it as like your moisturizer or your moisturizing oil during the day, and like while you now use like your lightening or whitening products like at night. I think this is a very good oil to protect and nourish and build your skin. So yes guys, that's it on this video. I don't want it to be too long. If you want to purchase it, do let me know, or you can find it in the market or whatever. The name is Clear Oil anti-stretch mark oil, and this is what it looks like. It's a totally amazing product. I love it. I absolutely love this one product that I'm so happy I tried it, guys. I'm super excited, like super excited that I tried it and it actually does work. So go into the world and get it. Really good. But like I said, please give it time to work. In fact, the more you use it, the more results you're gonna get out of it. That's one thing I know. And when you apply it on your skin, take time to massage, and then you think you're done applying. That's wrong. So make sure that you spend your time massaging it in a circular motion, get your blood, the blood to circulate and stuff like that. So do that, and trust me guys, you're gonna get good results from this amazing oil. To the makers of this oil, like, you guys did a good job. I'm so proud, so proud, and I'm a happy user. And for once I took a break from my own handmade product to try something, and it actually did work. So I'm super excited. I'm gassed. I'm like, so I just thought I must share with my people, because that's how much I love you. Can't keep anything away from you. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. You know the drill. Click on the subscribe button, because when I look at the amount of people that actually watch my videos, like, most of you did not subscribe, and that's not fair. That's really not fair, guys. Please, should I cry for you? So please just hit that subscribe button, click on it, yes, and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a new video. Don't you like my face? I want to be bringing more videos. Encourage me, okay? And make sure that you share my videos and click on the thumbs up. Say thank you, well done, thank you for sharing, God bless you, stuff like that keeps me ginger to bring more videos, and for everyone that has subscribed, you guys will make heaven. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you guys, and until my next video, bye, stay blessed, and I love you. Bye.